So we're down here at Cars and Coffee for December. Thought I'd just bring my son's car down, actually, Nissan Primera P11. Yeah, because all my stuff's broken. Again. Awesome. Anyway, we'll go and have a look around, see what's going on, talk to some of you people out there, and yeah, stay tuned. Should be a good little video. Take a look at some cars. Let's go get it.
Parking it forward if you would. Thank you.
Alright, cars are continuing to flood in. Just gonna go have a look at the car park, see what's going on. Sucker for a good AW11 MR2. Pretty sick.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way.
Nice Civic and pretty cool looking Evo. Both really well presented. They're pretty cool. Orange carbon fiber weave. Nice.
Of keeping closed, beating, hiding. I've been calling out your name from the dark.
That's a different R36 wagon that's been modified in New Zealand. We don't get that too often. I'm sure it's quite common in Europe, but here it's probably one of a kind.
Thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
Quite hard to get good shots of the cars in around here. They're all kind of jammed in, but that Celica back there, awesome. Probably one of the best cars, probably my favourite car that I've seen here. Yeah, anyway, keep trying to find stuff to look at.
Calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name.
Abdul's Datsun Ute, looking good as always. This man has a fleet of cars. They're all absolutely awesome.
Beating, hiding. I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late.
Land Cruiser was really lifted. Wonder if he gets driven off road.
If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out.
Datsun wagon is real cool, super low, real straight. Yeah, I like that a lot.
Your name. Tell me how you're feeling.
Guy at the Corvette probably thinks I'm filming his car. Nah bro, get out of the way. Look at these Datsuns.
She got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding.
260, 240Zs. Nice.
Calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name.
Pretty cool. Not sure if it's real or a replica, but yeah, GT40, epic. Absolutely beautiful rotaries here. 323 on works, that's absolutely immaculate. And this RX2 looks completely factory. Left-hand drive, I think it was for sale on Trade Me recently. Remember looking at it. Really cool to see it in person because it was down in Otago, I think, but beautiful car. Whoever bought that, well done. I mean, that was a great buy. I think it was like 59 grand it was listed on there for, so excellent car for the money. Yeah, these two rotaries, haven't really seen them around, and both of them are real nice. There's another beautiful Celica hidden away in the car park up the back. Far out, what a nice car. Wonder why he didn't park down with everyone else. I wanted to have a look at this thing up close. This is off Late Night Nate's channel. If you haven't checked him out, go check him out. This is his sister car and they just painted it, so we'll have a look at it. It looks absolutely mint. Yeah, that colour pops really hard. That's so cool. Low, dished wheels, chrome, contrasting against the purple. So good. Something you don't see a lot of in New Zealand. NSX, very nice. Nice to see an old Mustang that's actually sacked. Most of these old guys had them all jacked up to the sky. Good stuff. Very interesting conversion in a Supra. 1UZ FE with 2 turbos.
Well, yeah, no, different.
B turbo and a little Datsun. That's going to go quick. Alright, so I talked to a lot of people, walked around, caught up with heaps of mates, heaps of people that watch the channel, so if you came and said hello, cheers for that, I appreciate it. I'm going to get out of here. Been here since like 8:30, I've had enough. It's 10:30 now, a couple of hours of walking around. Hopefully you saw your car, and if you didn't, well, hopefully we catch you at the next event. Anyway, thanks for watching, don't forget, like, subscribe, do all those good things, and we'll see you next time.